up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl delicious. Today I just woke up, that's why I'm so ragged. So today I'm gonna show you how I usually fix my smoothie in the morning that I take as my breakfast, yeah, in a cup of tea. But today we're gonna focus on the green juice that I make every morning, or maybe thrice a week. That's so good for your stomach. And if you're struggling with like fatty stomach, this juice is gonna help you like lose weight and have a healthy lifestyle. So let's get into it. If you haven't subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And for those who always watch my videos, you're amazing. So let's do this, okay? Eating something so healthy that when you just put it in your mouth and all your organs just tastes what you're taking? This right here, it feels so clean, so healthy, like so good for your body. So please try this at home. I'm gonna put write down all the ingredients that I used and help a sister out there, you know. So cheers guys.